What's the meaning of baffling? Baffling. Baffling.
Baffling. Baffling. Baffling refers to something that is difficult to understand, explain, or solve. It can also refer to something that is puzzling or confusing. This word is often used to describe situations, behaviors, or events that defy explanation or comprehension. For example, the disappearance of a person without any obvious signs or motives can be called baffling. The cause of a medical condition that has stumped doctors for months may also be considered baffling. Baffling can evoke feelings of frustration, uncertainty, and bewilderment, as people struggle to make sense of something that seems inexplicable. Overall, baffling represents a challenge to our understanding and knowledge, and may require further investigation and analysis to unravel its mysteries.